We've talked about Mary Poppins before, but we will talk about Mary Poppins again. Now, with this particular item, the hair is different. I don't have numerous ones to compare right now, but it does not have the little tuck in the hair, her little hair part. Another thing that this Mary Poppins does not have, the copyright is usually in this area here on the hair, and when we put it up in here, there is no copyright on this one. This is an extremely, extremely rare variation of Mary Poppins. Have you looked at your Mary Poppins? So the two things we need to do, look and see if there's a part right there in the hair, and then look and see if you have, right in there, a copyright. Ah. Still horrible looking PEZ dispenser. What else don't we know about you?